There are ructions in the RTE newsroom following the interview process for the job of 6-1 news anchor, sources have told the Sunday Independent. Speaking this weekend, several sources in RTE said that a number of journalists were, quote, very annoyed at the way the appointment process was carried out. One person expressed disbelief at how management had informed the candidates who were keen to land the role that they would have to write a 1,000-word essay and explain to their bosses why they should be chosen as the 6-1 news anchor. Quote, you have people who've been senior journalists for decades, and you're asking them to write 1,000 words on why they'd be a good news anchor. They called it childish, bizarre, and a complete farce, and said it was incredibly insulting. They also said that some of these people were effectively applying for their own jobs. The comments come as Tommy Mescal becomes the youngest ever male newsreader to take the helm of RTE's 6-1 News at the age of 31. The Clare man follows in the footsteps of high-profile names such as Eamon Lawler, Anne Doyle and Brian Dobson. The source said that nobody had any issue with Tommy Mescal getting the job. Quote, it was the way management handled it. They added, there's definitely a feeling that RTE had already picked Tommy for the job and that the essay process was a box-ticking exercise to cover themselves. Asked if they received feedback on their essays, the source said, no, the teacher never marked the report cards.